Now, Bitcoin prices rose over 6% on Tuesday and are trying to hold gains early on Wednesday on hopes there's going to be fresh demand for Bitcoin in the coming weeks. Now, the trigger for these gains, which you can see here, was the news that the US court overturned the US Securities and Exchange Commission's decision to block a proposal to turn the Grayscale Investment Trust into a spot Bitcoin ETF. The hopes now on this decision is that this decision opens the way for those who want to start the first US spot Bitcoin ETF. This will further validate the presence of Bitcoin in the financial sphere, and the extra interest should also boost Bitcoin prices. However, do note that Bitcoin prices are still far, far lower than the COVID-19 era highs over $65,000. Now, in the near term, also notice that as we come into month end, there is a buy bias for Bitcoin around the turn of the month. From the day before to the day after the turn of the month, on average, Bitcoin prices have gained 1.17% with a 60% winning trade percentage. So, does this news and this intraday buy bias with the turn of the month effect make a good opportunity for Bitcoin buying over the coming couple of days? Major trade risks. All outlooks have risks, and of course this is no exception. The major trade risk would likely come from any other unexpected Bitcoin news or a very high US PCE print on Thursday, which would strongly impact dollar and the dollar price, and by proxy Bitcoin prices. Remember that HYCM clients can access the SeasonX product in order to analyze over 25,000 different currencies, indices, commodities, as well as individual stocks, and all you need to do is contact your account manager for a free trial and you can get started right away. Certain products and services mentioned herein may or may not be available to all clients depending on which HYCM Capital Markets Group entity their trading account adheres to.